UDHR recognizes the education as a right in Article 26. Everyone has the right to education. Education shall be free at least in the elementary and fundamental stages. Elementary education shall be compulsory. Technical and professional education shall be made generally available, and higher education shall be equally accessible to all on the basis of merit. Constitution of Pakistan, Article 25A. Right to education. The state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 5 to 16 years, in such manner as may be determined by law. The word education comes from the Latin word educare, which means to let out, bring up. Education may be defined as a system consisting of the roles and norms that ensure the transmission of knowledge, values, and patterns of behavior from one generation to the next. Durkheim, education is the socialization of the younger generation. Education is a social institution through which a society's children are taught basic academic knowledge, learning skills, and cultural norms. John J. Massionis, it is the social institution through which society provides its members with knowledge, including basic facts, job skills, and cultural norms and values. There are 3 types of education: 1. Formal education, 2. Informal education, 3. Non-formal education. Formal education. Formal education is a type of education which is acquired from the formal educational institutions like school, college, and university. Here are some key points: planned with a particular end in view, limited to a specific period, well-defined and systematic curriculum, given by specially qualified teachers, includes activities outside the classroom, observes strict discipline. Informal education. Informal education is a type of education acquired from community, family, friends, relatives, and society. Here are some key points: incidental and spontaneous, not pre-planned, not imparted by any specialized agency, no prescribed timetable or curriculum, may be negative also. Non-formal education refers to all planned personal and social education programs for young people that are designed to develop a range of skills and competencies outside the formal education curriculum. Non-formal education is intentional and voluntary. Non-formal education is not like formal education. It did not take space in academic setup, timetable, and syllabus of non-formal education can be adjusted. Non-formal education has no age limit, flexibility in age, curriculum, and time.